Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Genshin Impact. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Genshin Impact, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and search for Genshin Impact. On the search results, tap the first one. Here, at the top right, tap Official Site. You will be taken to the home page, so tap Login at the top right. On the pop-up, tap Register Now and enter your email address. Next, tap Send Code. Genshin Impact will send a verification code to your email address, so enter the code here. Next, create a password for your account and re-enter the password for confirmation. Also, check the box to agree to the terms and policies. When done, tap Register. And that's how you sign up for Genshin Impact. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.